Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your friend Zaid Afzaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all notifications on time and every time. During this video, if you find information useful, please like this video. Remember that a lot of hard work is done in the background to get you all this useful information. Today is Sunday, 21st of August 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in the UAE. Starting with the 1 gram price of 24 carats gold without VAT is 206.41 and with VAT is 216.73. 22 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 189.48 and with VAT is 198.95. 21 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 180.61 and with VAT is 189.64. 18 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 154.81 and with VAT is 162.55. 14 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 120.75 and with VAT is 126.79. 10 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 86.07 and with VAT is 90.37. Last but not the least, 6 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 51.60 and with VAT is 54.18. Keeping in mind the VAT rate in the UAE is 5% out of 100. I hope you will find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and share this information with your friends and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.